What a beautiful morning, huh?
I know. It is.
We woke up to an absolutely beautiful sunrise,
Yeah.
and it's another travel day.
I know. Are you tired of traveling yet?
No, I'm not. I mean, I'm anxious to go see our friends. So we stayed here at Twin Arrows Casino, just outside of Flagstaff. Tons and tons of parking.
Oh my gosh.
It's
Yeah.
not real level, but it's level enough.
It's
you
an
know.
overnighter,
Yeah.
so it's doable.
Yeah.
They are so nice in there. We went to dinner last night in there, and it was amazing food
Yeah, we
at
like
a reasonable price.
Yeah, we like to show our appreciation. So we went into the sports bar last night and had dinner, and
Yeah.
I mean, we got out of there with tip for $30.
I know it was ridiculously wonderful.
It was really nice.
Yeah, it was.
And you didn't have to cook.
I didn't have to cook. I wish I know that. I wouldn't have taken everything out of my sink, but that's okay. It's all right. It's always nice not have to cook.
Another travel day. We've got another kind of another special spot that we always seem to stop at along the way on Interstate 40 on our way to Oklahoma. So we're headed there today. I've already looked at our exit strategy out of this parking lot, and I'm going to have to back up, because that road is 6 feet wider than that road. And I need all the width I can possibly get. So
yeah.
Anyway.
We'll do it. You're awesome at it.
We're going to get on the road again. This is just a quick overnight stop.
Again.
We were originally planning on a 3-day boondock in Flagstaff, south of Flagstaff, just off of Interstate 17 in the National Forest, but no, we got another storm coming. It's supposed to get really nasty on Thursday with winds and clouds coming in, and the temperatures are supposed to drop. Even Phoenix said they're going to be in the low 60s for the weekend.
And we've been so blessed with a great travel days.
Yeah.
I mean, beautiful days.
Yep. So we're going to get on the road and head towards Oklahoma.
Yay!
So I'll go put this in the truck if you want to put that up, and
all right.
I'll figure it out.
Action.
Okay, so it's plan C. I'm going to pull straight out.
I like that plan. I thought you could do it. It's pretty wide here. You got tons of room on the right. Easy peasy, fresh and freezy, baby.
Okay, I guess we're good.
Okey-dokey. You make it look so good. Could you hold that for me?
So it looks like the semis park at the closest parking lot to the interstate. There's a lot of them in there.
Yeah, there is. A lot more than RVs.
But this first time we stayed here, it's a good stop.
It is, and definitely come here again if we're in the
Oh
area.
yeah, there's a lot of room, lots of room to maneuver.
Yeah.
Just off of Interstate 40, just outside of Flagstaff. And yeah, we're going to put this on our list of overnighters.
Yeah, easy on, easy off.
How did we find it? We found it with our app that we always use, RV Parking. And again, we're not sponsored by RV
No,
Parking.
it's a
we're
free
just,
app.
It's a free app, and we use the heck out of it.
It's our go-to.
Yeah. We did go in when we pulled in. I pulled into the parking lot and I went into security and just to verify that it was okay to spend the night, and they said absolutely no problem. And so, like we said, we'd like to show our appreciation. So we went into the sports bar last night, and
at the roundabout, take the third exit.
we went into the sports bar last night, had dinner, and it was good.
It was a really
I had a
good
Navajo
dinner.
taco, which I'd never had before.
Oh, that was really cool.
It was good.
It was stuffed.
Yeah, and you had a Philly cheesesteak.
Yeah, my go-to. I love Philly cheesesteaks. And
But we got out of there, like I say, with tip, we got out of there for $30. So.
yeah.
I don't wanna die young.
Alrighty, back on the road again. Another travel day. Got to beat that storm coming out of the west.
Yes.
That my heart gets cold. So tell me there's a reason, or something upstairs. Tell me they've been seeing what's going on down here. 'Cause I get to feeling sad, and I miss my mom and dad. Why is it so hard to tell them that? When you get to a certain age, you miss what you could have had, but don't really want it back, and hope that you're on track for 22 and some change. I just wanna have fun and have a good laugh. Make a few friends, the kind that last. So tell me there's a reason, or something upstairs. Tell me they've been seeing what's going on down here. 'Cause I get to feeling sad, and I miss my mom and dad. Why is it so hard to tell them that? When you get to a certain age, you miss what you could have had, but don't really want it back, and hope that you're on track for 22 and some change. My mind gets caught under the weight, a tidal wave inside of me. Without a way, I ought to give myself some grace. Either way, I'm wide awake in the bed I've made, and I get to feeling sad, and I miss my mom and dad. Why is it so hard to tell them that? When you get to a certain age, you miss what you could have had, but don't really want it back, and hope that you're right on track for 22 and some change.
Exit 218 on the right to US 285.
Nobody in the RV park. I mean, nobody.
Well, that's good. That gives us a spot.
Keep left toward Santa Fe.
Well, you can't probably can't hear the highway noise, but there is a lot of highway noise out there. But I didn't hear it.
I didn't either.
That's a good thing about our DRV. It's insulated so well that
You just don't hear a lot of the noise outside.
no, double pane windows, good exterior insulation, good soundproof. But it was a good stop. It didn't get too cold. I think it got down to 32 last night. A little bit of a breeze.
It's always breezy here, though.
It
Or
is
windy.
always breezy.
It's always
7,200 feet at Klein's
Yeah.
Corners.
Klein's Corners. You guys got to stop here. It's
Yeah,
a great
it's cheap.
stop.
It's less than $30 full hookup for
Yeah,
a night.
$26.
Yeah,
And we fit. We didn't have to unhook or anything, so
Yeah.
that was really nice.
yeah. We just pull in, stay hooked up like we're boondocking, and
Yeah.
kind of go. So, the last time we were here, the wind was blowing like a hurricane. You remember that?
Yes.
Okay.
We're expecting a little wind today.
Reporting to you. Holy cow! Reporting to you from just east of Albuquerque, New Mexico.
Good morning, America.
Oh my gosh, we rocked and rolled all night. We're supposed to have high winds today, 35 to 45 with gusts to 65. But I think it's going to be a tailwind, so we got to get on down the road. Woo! Yeah, what'd you think of that? Good thing it's not like that, huh?
I know, it was hard to stand up because it was
Golly.
windy, so windy.
It was. It's terrible. So it's supposed to be that windy here tomorrow. That's why we're leaving today and headed to Elk City a little early because there's another storm coming down and we want to stay out front of it and get settled in.
And
settled
Elk
in.
City is 72 today, so we just chased 70s.
So we're going to get on down the road. I've done a walk around. I've done a safety inspection. We've dumped our tanks and we're going to roll down the road. We'll be there hopefully late afternoon.
I'm excited.
I think we're going to try to get the truck washed in Amarillo
We
at
are.
Blue Beacon.
Oh my gosh.
And then it's filthy.
It hasn't been
It's
washed in
filthy.
months.
We went through that rain and snow in
Yeah.
Utah and it's just filthy.
And then plus we had the front nose done, and so we couldn't wash that for a while.
That's true.
Yeah, so.
So, and then we're going to top off our fuel in Sayre, Oklahoma, just across the Texas line into Oklahoma. We're going to top our fuel off there. And here we go.
There's a light from a million suns burning through your blood. Feel the rivers run, a window to the hope and wildest truth. It's all for you. There's a song and it sings in the air. Wonderful the sound, hear it everywhere. Shouting like a drum, it echoes through. It's all for you. take your heart away.
Well, here we are on the crossover overpass.
We made it!
First time I did this, I was a little unsure, but once you figure it out, it works pretty good.
Yeah. It's nice.
So we are in Oklahoma, and the weather feels wonderful.
Amazing.
I actually have the AC on.
I love it. This is nice.
Our spot's open.
Our spot is open.
You want to take that one?
Yeah. Just drive right on in.
Okay.
Tons of room.